Find out what I used to turn these dirty barbecue racks looking from this to this. So join me today. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I am tidying up the outdoor space. But one thing I'm definitely focusing on is the barbecue stand. So I'm trying to put it away. We had a barbecue yesterday and I just want to clear the racks. As you can see, they are covered in grease, and yeah, you can see the state of my hands. So I'm going to give this a quick thorough clean using my absolute favorite product, which is the pink stuff. I'm going to show you how I use it in a fast and effective way to remove the stains and put things back where they stay, because I want to put the barbecue stand back where it stays, and it's about to rain, so I'm short of time. And I'm one of those people who like to have it clean so that next time I use it, it's ready for me. I don't have to wash it. So I'm going to show you the process that I use, and hopefully it works very well for you too. So as you can see, I've just rubbed the pink stuff all over this, and I'm now just rinsing everything using the water. Normally I would leave the racks out to soak in really warm soapy water, but because I don't have enough time today, I'm just going to put everything in the sink and use a scourer, hot water, and the pink stuff. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I love the pink stuff. It's like my one of the go-to products because it works so well. I have used it on an oven before many of times, so that's why I'm so confident it will work really well on the barbecue stand racks. So give this video a thumbs up if you have tried this. I know this is a long shot, it's a long process, but it's one that works really well because I just prefer using the pink stuff and just scrubbing everything off. It might not remove everything, but if you're in a rush, it works really well. I love a metal scourer and this, and as you can see, it's really like deep rooted grease of meat and everything that we were using on the barbecue, and I'm just recycling the water that's already inside the sink, so I'm not using any more new water, so kind of save water. And I'm just going to repeat the process as many times as I possibly can to make sure that everything has come off essentially. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone that has been subscribing and liking and sharing my videos, guys. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to hear from you guys that you love my videos and they're really helpful. So I'm going to continue to do my best to give you guys every single thing that you need. If you have any special requests, please let me know in the comment section below. If you have anything that you actually want to see from the channel, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to film that for you. So now I'm going to let my husband take over. He actually enjoys cleaning the barbecue stand, so I'll let him take over from here. He's just finishing off cleaning the racks.
Scrub. Literally one by one.
So that's it with the hard stuff done. We're just going to empty the sink, rinse it, and then we're going to continue the process, but no longer using the pink stuff. Give this video a big thumbs up if you are enjoying the content, and let me know what you guys use to clean your barbecue stand and your barbecue rack. So now we've rinsed everything off to take off the pink stuff, and all the racks are just getting a quick rinse. And then we're going to use fairy washing up liquid on the sponge. Make sure you are not planning on using that sponge ever again, because it's going to collect all the grease and all the dirt. So it's the sponge you're going to probably get rid of straight away. I'll show you what it looks like towards the end. It looks completely different. It's all just covered in grease, but yeah, something you're going to get rid of. So my husband's going to tell you what to do next and why we use fairy washing up liquid when we're cleaning the barbecue racks.
You use your fairy liquid, you're removing the grease with a fairy liquid. But be prepared to never use that sponge ever again. Now what you want is to use nice hot water to do the rinse. You've got a choice. You can use a kettle, pour that over on top, but mind you, the metal will also get hot, so take caution if that's an approach you want to use, or like me, tap water sometimes.
Tell me when you're putting it down. You can see the racks are actually looking so much better than they did at the start. They have actually got the grease taken off, and yeah, I'm just going to finally give them a final rinse. Now we have done with the racks, and we're just going to clean around the sink area because it's covered in dirt. I'm just going to boil the kettle because I'm going to use to clean down the drains. We don't want any buildup of any oils that would have come up on the barbecue stand. So we're just cleaning around the sink area so it's ready for dishes, and we don't want to mix germs. I'm going to use the Pink Stuff cream cleaner again for the sink, and yeah, I'm just now preparing to just move things back in outside, but I'd rather clean the sink first. So with the sink nice and clean, I'm going to get the soda crystals and pour them down the drain so that any fats or any grease that's gone down there, I just quickly clear it using the soda crystals. And I'm also going to use white vinegar as well. I'm just going to pour that on top of the soda crystals. And then I'm going to get my boiling water that I was boiling earlier and then just pour that down the drain. And there you have it, a nice clean sink and some clean racks that are ready to go back where they belong. Look at that, they look so much better than what they did at the start. I hope you guys can see the difference because I definitely can. And that's what I use to clean the barbecue stand racks. I use the Pink Stuff, and I also use washing up liquid. The Pink Stuff just gets rid of all the burnt on grease and stuff, and then the washing up liquid just removes the final stuff that's on there. As you can see, the racks look so much better. They look almost brand new. And that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you love the content. Until then, you have a lovely day. Bye.